5 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote in May 2022. Hey guys, it's Susie, and I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote in May 2022. Because whether you're getting started as an affiliate marketer or looking for new products to promote to scale your affiliate revenue, there are hundreds of new affiliate products being released every month. Digistore24 is one of the many affiliate networks for you to find affiliate products, and they have hundreds of different products in many different niches. Now that we have made it to May, let's take a look at the top 5 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote for you to make affiliate commissions. If you need help getting started with Digistore24, check out Kim's Digistore24 Beginner's Guide video. Kim will show you exactly how to get started and make money online with Digistore24. Keep watching and I'll link this video at the top right a bit later for you, along with other helpful videos to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Also, be sure to check out the link below for instant access to training that's unlike any training you've ever seen before. You'll learn the truth why you have been failing online and what you need to do to change your future. So if succeeding with affiliate marketing interests you, then grab our free training below today. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video comes out. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Alright, now here are 5 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote in May 2022. One important note before I get into this list, please know that these numbers are subject to change without prior notice. These numbers will fluctuate every day as more people buy these products on Digistore24. So don't worry if these numbers look a little bit different to the numbers you see when you check out the products. That just means they've sold more. These top 5 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote have this in common. All of these products are in the top 2 niches of health and wealth. All of these products are trending in sub-niches and topics that we will discuss as we move forward. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 5, the Dermaprogenics Advanced Anti-Aging Skincare Serum. This serum targets anybody who wants younger looking skin. This product is an anti-aging serum that uses state-of-the-art firming ingredients, a mix of skin moisturizing agents and vitamins. Once applied, it stays smooth, flexible, and does not break or flake like some other products. It gently pulls the skin tighter and smooths out the surface of the skin. This product is in the health and wellness niche, and the affiliate commissions for Dermaprogenics Advanced Anti-Aging Skincare Serum is 70%. The average price per sale is $124, and the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $65. Now, some products will have additional metrics like cart conversion, cancellation rate, and ranking in their category or niche, but these products are too new to have those detailed metrics. You will see some of those metrics a little bit later, and I'll discuss what they mean when we see them. Dermaprogenics Advanced Anti-Aging Skincare Serum does have an affiliate JV page with email swipes to help you promote Dermaprogenics Advanced Anti-Aging Skincare Serum yourself. And this new Digistore24 affiliate product is capitalizing on the consistently trending topic of anti-aging and face serum, which is also a consistently trending topic. Be sure to keep watching. I'm going to show you a simple trick to see all of these products for yourself without having a Digistore24 account or logging in. New Digistore24 product number 4, Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. The Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit targets people who want a brighter, whiter smile. This product is a 90-day whitening kit using light technology and a superior whitening agent powerful enough to whiten deep stains, yet safe enough for sensitive teeth. This product is also in the health and wellness niche, and the affiliate commission for Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit is 67%. The average price per sale is $72. And the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $41. Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit does have a JV affiliate page with email swipes to help you promote Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit as an affiliate. And the consistently trending topic of tooth whitening, as well as sensitive teeth whitening, are the trends that this new Digistore24 affiliate product is capitalizing on. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 3, the Lottery Increaser. Lottery Increaser targets people who play and want to win the lottery. This product is a breakthrough lotto processor that will show you how to get the best numbers for any lottery game. It gives you the absolute best number combinations to play based on past data from every lotto game in the US and worldwide. This product is in the wealth niche, and the affiliate commission for Lottery Increaser is 75%. The average price per sale is $102, and the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $25. Lottery Increaser does have a JV affiliate page with demographics, banners, emails, and much more to help you promote Lottery Increaser to your audience. And this new Digistore24 affiliate product is capitalizing on the consistently trending topics of lottery and lottery numbers. New Digistore24 product number 2, Apex Rogue. Apex Rogue targets people who suffer from low testosterone. This product is a testosterone booster male enhancement pill to promote dilation for improved circulation, giving users that extra boost for better performance. It works by increasing the body's natural testosterone levels, enabling the consumer to achieve maximum potential. This product is also in the health and wellness niche, and the affiliate commissions for Apex Rogue is 65%. The average price per sale is $146, with the average affiliate commission earnings per sale at $78. Now you'll see with this product, we have some more metrics, and these are the ones I was talking about earlier. You can actually see that we have a cart conversion, which is how many visitors that have seen this product have purchased it, and a cancellation rate, which will also tell you how many people have canceled or returned this product. If we look at the cart conversion on Apex Rogue, it is at 18%, and their cancellation rate is at 2.4%. These metrics are a really good sign because it shows you that 9 times more people are keeping this product than are canceling this product. Now, something to watch out for, if that cancellation rate were up to 17 or 20, that would be a really bad sign. That would mean more people are returning the product than they are purchasing the product. But Apex Rogue has very good metrics here. They do have an affiliate JV page with banners and email swipes to help you promote Apex Rogue to your customers. And the topics of testosterone and testosterone booster are consistently trending topics that Apex Rogue is capitalizing on. And we finally made it to new Digistore24 affiliate product number 1, the Gym Bottle for Special Hydration. The Gym Bottle for Special Hydration targets people who could use a beautiful reminder to stay centered and hydrated throughout their stressful lives. This product gives you a choice of 5 different energy balancing crystals in a glass and stainless steel bottle, with a neoprene sleeve and a handy carrying loop that will help you get through your day with calm and poise. This product is in the health and wellness niche. The affiliate commission for Gym Bottle is 30%, and the cart conversion is currently converting at 27%. The average price per sale is $133, and the average affiliate commissions earnings per sale is $49. This product is currently number 1 in the skincare category, and the cancellation rate is 5.5%. So let's use what we now know about cart conversion and cancellation rate for the Gym Bottle. Just like the previous product, this one also has really good metrics. The cart conversion at 27% is 5 times higher than the cancellation rate at 5%. So this means that 5 times more people are purchasing and keeping this product than they are purchasing and canceling this product. The Gym Bottle for Special Hydration does have a JV affiliate page with banners and email swipes to help you promote Gym Bottle for Special Hydration to your customers. And this new Digistore24 affiliate product is capitalizing on the consistently trending topic of hydration and water bottles. Now that's your list of the top 5 new Digistore24 products to promote in May 2022. And as promised, here's your tip to go see these products for yourself. It's really super easy because you don't need to be logged in to see it. Simply go to Google and type in digistore24.com/marketplace, and the Digistore24 products are automatically filtered to the best-selling products on Digistore24 at that time. Now, when you do find one that you want to promote, you do need to have an account and be signed in. If you need steps on how to do that, be sure to go check out Kim's Digistore24 Beginner Guide, where she shows you exactly how to set up your account the right way so you get paid. If you want help with how to do affiliate marketing the right way, be sure to grab our free training from the link below. It's the type of training you have not seen before. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video comes out. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.